how to fix Battlefield 5 is crashing on Steam. First, you want to open up the properties by right-clicking the game on your library, and then go to Installed Files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can go back to the General tab and add -DX11 to the launch options. And then you can close Steam. Next, you want to open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link. Now, from the second table here, you'll need to download and install the 86 and the 64 redistributables installers. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. Now, after the restart, you want to also check if you have the latest driver updates for your graphic card. If you have an NVIDIA card, you can download and install NVIDIA app. Or if you have AMD, you can use the AMD software. Go to the drivers and from here check for the latest available driver updates and make sure to install them. Next, you want to run Steam as admin. You can search for Steam and right click and then run as admin. Now all you need to do is launch the game from your library, and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.